Hello. Do you want to lose weight fast and without constant hunger? The ketogenic diet could be the answer. In this video, we'll discuss how the ketogenic diet works, why it's so popular, and what results you can expect. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more health tips. The ketogenic diet, or ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that helps the body enter a state called ketosis. In ketosis, the body burns fat as its primary source of energy instead of carbohydrates. How does the ketogenic diet work? Normally, our bodies use glucose from carbohydrates as its primary fuel. However, when you reduce your carbohydrate intake to about 5 to 10% of your total daily calories, your liver starts producing ketones from fat to use as its primary source of energy. Why is the keto diet so popular? There are several reasons why the ketogenic diet is gaining more attention. Rapid weight loss. When the body starts burning fat as its primary source of energy, many people see significant changes in their weight in just a few weeks. Controls blood sugar. This diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a good choice for people with type 2 diabetes. Reduces hunger. Fat and protein keep you feeling fuller for longer, making it easier to control your appetite. Improves mental focus. Many people report increased energy and focus when in ketosis. Controls cholesterol levels. The ketogenic diet can help increase good cholesterol, HDL, levels and reduce triglycerides. What can you eat on a keto diet? On the ketogenic diet, you need to focus on foods that are high in healthy fats, moderately high in protein, and very low in carbohydrates. Examples of suitable foods: healthy fats, olive oil, coconut oil, butter, cheese, and avocado. High-quality protein, beef without additives, chicken. Fatty fish such as salmon and tuna, and eggs. Low-carb vegetables, broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, zucchini. Nuts and seeds, almonds, macadamia nuts, chia seeds. Avoid these foods. Sugar and sugary foods, sweet drinks, cakes and pastries. Bread, pasta, rice and potatoes. Fruits with a high sugar content, such as bananas and mangoes. What are the expected results? Many people start to see changes in just 1 or 2 weeks. During this time, weight can drop by 2 to 5 kilograms, mainly due to the loss of water in the body. After this, fat burning will be more effective. In addition, many people also experience increased energy, improved focus and mental clarity. Appetite naturally decreases. Better health levels, including stable blood sugar control. However, there are also some temporary side effects, such as keto flu, which are symptoms such as fatigue, dizziness, and headaches during the first few days. These can be reduced by drinking more water and adding salt to the diet. Who should be careful with this diet? While the ketogenic diet is safe for most people, there are some groups who should seek medical advice before trying it. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Individuals with liver or kidney problems. People with type 1 diabetes. Those taking certain medications. The ketogenic diet can be a very effective way to lose weight and improve health, but it is not for everyone. If you're interested in trying it, start slowly and make sure you understand the basics. Have you tried the ketogenic diet before? Share your experiences in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next video.
Attention! Lose weight quickly and healthily with Nagano Tonic, a revolutionary 100% natural powdered supplement that aids in weight loss and the elimination of excess fat. Inspired by the traditional health practices of Nagano, Japan, Nagano Tonic is your solution for a lighter and healthier body. Check out the official Nagano Tonic website. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment. Visit now and discover all the benefits of Nagano Tonic.